welcome back, and today I am doing, it was a long ago requested look, but I had done the look like at the end of, basically the end of winter, and at the time I was doing so many collabs that I never got a chance to film the look. But today I'm ready because I'm getting ready to go out, and I was like, it's a perfect fall look. It's more fall than winter. Like I tend to go with themed looks anyway. So I mostly remembered what I used. I might have used something slightly different. I'm not sure. I don't remember if I threw that up in my crease or not, like a little LA Colors 50 cent eyeshadow. I might have threw that up in my crease, but I don't know. I remember using the Jaclyn Hill palette in this one other eyeshadow. And the only other thing that's going to change from this look, and I'll insert a picture of the look over the video. I had a few videos with this look, and a lot of people love this look, so I'll insert it here. Is the lip, because I no longer have that lip. It was the ColourPop Ultra Matte in Potion, or Notion or Potion, one of the two. Horrible formula, horrible. It was so streaky. It took me layers and layers to get it decent looking on camera, and that was about it. So we're gonna go with a different lip, and I'm gonna get started because Aunt Cole's running late to a birthday party. This is the NARS Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. I have not used this, really, maybe for a look, and I'm just kind of curious on how it is. I got it in the Sephora Play. Very smooth. I'm also using the Mineral Veil from Hourglass to see whether I like it or not. Primer underneath all my foundation. And that's the other thing, none of my face products are the same as they were back then, because, you know, Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation wasn't out then, and that's what I'm using now. Neat. So I'm going to go in the Jaclyn Hill palette, because that's the one I did use, and hopefully I'm close enough that you can see. I'm pretty sure I set my eye with one of these two shades. That's what I always do, even though they're slightly satin. It doesn't matter. But I always set, or I did. I don't now, but I was back then. So. I'm going to go in this slightly warmer one right here, and really blow out the crease, like above the crease, yeah. I'm going to layer that with this one right next to the main halo color. I'm going to take a blending brush in a second and get the rest. The one I was just using. Go under. Like almost to my waterline. Okay. And take the color that would go under it. clean brush. I used this shade from Sahi Cosmetics. I think they're vegan. They might not be vegan, but no carmine anyway. And see, the thing is, it says cream. It acts more like a powder. It's almost like a Super Shock eyeshadow from ColourPop. The thing is, looking at it, I had it to my eyes, and I had glitter on my face. It's pretty glitter, but it's like chunky and still really pigmented on the lid, even without a glitter glue. But I did have glitter all over my face. So went in with the glitter glue. And as long as you can find a pale gold that looks like this Jaclyn palette's one is like a little too dark. Yeah, that's way too dark. I'm pretty sure Juvia's Place, a couple of them probably have a shade similar to this in a halo. Now I think I applied it with a brush. Could have applied it with my finger. I don't remember. Like I'm applying a cream. It looks like a cream, but it doesn't feel like I'm applying a cream, you know what I'm saying? Messed that up, I don't think I did. See, I'm still in it with like a couple of flecks of glitter. It's okay. You dip into the same color, and I'm just gonna blend that in just a tad bit. Still have a little glitter. So, you know, a hazard. So, you know, ones like to bleed. But this is Bewitching Bordeaux. And just by looking at that, I think it's going to be the closest one I have to Notion, unless my Sangria is closer. But I think my Sangria is like way lighter in this color range. So, yeah, I think it's this one. You see, this is like a purple. Which that Notion was close. It is a purple light color. Huh. That might be too purple. That's too purple. Like way too purple. Which I love, it's just not the color I was going for. I'm gonna try this clean color. I'm just trying to mix it in. But the eyes and the lip are. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.